Hi, today I want to show you how to screencast using the Google Chromecast device. I'm not going through the details how to set up the device. You can check out my other video. There's an unboxing video. I will put the link in the description. I'm using my Galaxy Z Flip phone and it's running the Android version 11. First of all, you have to make sure you are connected to the home network. If you drag down the screen from the top, you will see the button devices here, and just click on it. In my case, I have set up my Google Chromecast as a living room TV. Just click on it. And now you can see here at the bottom, cast my screen. The problem is you can't get to the button here. As soon as you click on it, you will see the task list. So let's go do it again. To get to the button here, I have to maximize the screen. Now you can see the button here. I can click on it, cast my screen, cast screen start now. Okay, now you can see my screen on the TV here. Let's try something else. Go to the camera. And now you can see the camera here. I can turn around. And if you want to disconnect the screencast, go to here. You can see connected to TV and tap on the arrow down. Disconnect here. Okay, now I'm disconnected. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.